we were going through string operations in Python. So let's try building a system that could ask for flavor and the type of dessert user wants. We can do it. And finally store the value for further use. So for this, what we will do, we will use input function. And what input function will do, input function will ask the value from user. So for string, we just use double quote. So we have done what flavor would you like from the user side. We can take this one in capital and now we will do dessert type. Again we will use input function for dessert type. We will ask what type of dessert do you like from user. So we will use input function and we will again take input from user. What type of dessert do you like? So what flavor would you like? Like I'm doing vanilla. What type of dessert will you like? Like I am liking ice cream. So this is taking input from user. Now I want to, these both are strings and these both are taking input from user with the help of input function. So we are building a system that could ask for flavor and the type of dessert you like. This was the main question, so we did it. Now we will use string concatenation. How to concatenate? For that, what we will do? Print. We will combine both values. Print. You have entered we will combine flavor plus dessert type both. It will do combine both of values. So if we do like this flavor plus dessert type, first see you have entered vanilla ice cream. So what's wrong here? Vanilla and ice in same is the same word. So for avoiding such kind of mistake, what we can do? We will do here simply for spacing, we will use double and now we will print. So after running this, we can see what changed. Yes. So we have used vanilla ice cream. You have entered vanilla ice cream. So congratulations for building very simple app by using input function and concatenation of two values. So or two strings. I hope you got how to use input function, how to use print, how to concatenate. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.